Hello, developers. Welcome back to Droid Scripter. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of Jetpack Compose. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring the animated visibility component to create a smooth transition effect in our UI. So, let's jump right into the code. Alright, let's break down this intriguing piece of Kotlin code, where we're utilizing the animated visibility component to toggle the visibility of a secondary UI element. Grab your code editor, and let's dissect this together. Our UI structure is organized with the column composable, taking up the entire available space with fill max size. We begin by declaring a mutable state variable as visible, using Jetpack Compose's remember and mutable_state_off functions. This variable will control the visibility of our secondary UI element. Now, here comes the star of the show, the animated visibility composable. This is where the transition magic happens. We've configured the enter and exit animations using slide in horizontally, slide out horizontally, fade in, and fade out. These animations give our UI a seamless appearance and disappearance effect. We've configured the enter and exit animations using slide in horizontally, slide out horizontally, fade in, and fade out. These animations give our UI a seamless appearance and disappearance effect. Inside the animated visibility block, we have a secondary UI element, a box with a dark gray background. Within this box, we've placed a button containing a clear icon. This button allows users to toggle the visibility back to its initial state. Isn't that impressive? With just a few lines of code, we've added a touch of elegance to our UI transitions. Animated visibility is a powerful tool in your Jetpack Compose arsenal.